Hi, welcome back to our fifth video in our series on the new My RMA web portal. In this video, we're going to take a look at the news and calendar functions in a little bit more detail. Once again, I'm logged in as June Cleaver, and I'm at my resource board, and I am a parent in this scenario. I'm going to click on the news icon up on my global navigation menu, and I will see three menu items there: featured content, recent activity, and archived content. I'm going to click first on featured content. And on this page, you will see any items of particular note that we want to make sure that you take a look at. So as we grow in our use of the portal and posting news stories to the website and so forth, check back here to find things that are especially exciting that you might want to sign up for or just need to read more about. Now, over on the right-hand side of the screen, you will see some of the upcoming events from the school calendar. More about the calendar in a moment. From the news menu, you also have a recent activity feed, which is going to show you all of the recent news stories that have been posted to the website and or to the portal in particular. So you will see lots of information here. And you can drill into any of these items to read more about the particular article if there's extra text that you might need to read. And another exciting item here is the ability to look at archived content. So if you need to go back and look at news stories or photos or videos or things that we've posted in the past, these will continue to be archived on a regular basis. And you can always go back in time and look through those items. You will see some things that predate us rolling out the website. So some of the items that we were using when we were first getting this started, it goes all the way back to those items. So you can come into archive year over year and be able to look back through your news stories. Now, also up here on the global navigation, you have a calendar icon. That calendar icon is going to take you to the school-wide calendar. Now, this one will be very exciting especially for parents and for students, because it gives you all of the happenings at the school. And these will actually grow and have even more categories as we implement more pieces of this new software over the course of the next year. But it can get a little overwhelming. It's already quite busy when you look at it with all of the various groups and things turned on right now. So what you want to pay particular attention to is over on the left-hand side of the screen, you have the ability to customize what you see or don't see within this calendar. So you have the ability to totally customize this, and maybe you decide you don't want to see special events, but you're only interested in the school athletics, or you only want to see admissions events and not athletic events and so forth. So check here and see what's already marked, and you'll see the little check boxes are marked for everything right now, and you can start unmarking and seeing kind of what impact that has on the calendar for you. And you have the ability to save your view so that you can always come back and not have to go through all those check boxes every time. So over the course of the next year, you will see more items in this group here as a parent, and you'll see more things populating this calendar. But remember, you always have the ability to filter out and see just what you want to see. You also have the ability to change the way that you're viewing the calendar. You can view it in a month, day, or week mode, as well as the grid mode, which you're seeing now, or some people prefer a list view. You can take that view as well. So I can switch back and forth between those. You also have the ability to expand all of the detail listings, so you can get more information. For instance, on the sporting events, the locations would be shown once you expand that. And of course, you have the ability to print these calendars if you would like to. So very exciting new feature that is customizable. Remember, you can save your customizations. If you save them and you're not real happy about them, you can always go back and restore to your prior settings. Check back later and we'll go into the directories in more detail.